I'm not going to include every single day that I've backtested this. I backtest every day. It's good habit. But I'm not going to include every day in this whole series because it's just boring and repetitive at the end of the day. But I do want to include these early days especially because I think it's important that I share where I started and how confused I was looking at the charts and how slow I was with my analysis and how all the new things I'm learning as I'm progressing and gaining more and more experience with this system. So yeah, second day, still confused at times, but better than the first day, I suppose. So I think the major level, which absolutely everyone can see in their grandmas, is this one right here. This one right here. So we start at a point and we move to the left, then we go to the right. I like the size of that. I like how this lines up. This is a level as well, I guess you can say. And you've also got this. I'm gonna mark it up from here for now. No, I don't really like it. You're getting some reactions here, but you're getting more chopped through it than anything else. But what I will do is I'll mark up this as the invalidation point. Overall, we are bullish, so if this decides to turn around and run up, I'm okay with that. I kind of expect it. But also short term, we are bearish, so I'm going to stay flexible and trade both directions. But yeah, you know what? I'm not going to think too much about it because I can feel it in my head trying to process things. I'm just going to watch price play out and then make a decision as to what I want to do. So we're looking at a potential TPF here, but price is kind of stuck between here and here as well. So what I'm going to do is actually mark up this level here, and we've got another H4 major level here. So we've got a BTPF right here, but I don't feel safe with a stop loss there. Definitely could work. Yeah, I'd feel like my stop loss should be at the top up there. Let me make a note to self. So if it breaks this level, I want to see it move to the upside, but I'm going to need confirmation to enter because it could obviously be a fake out. Alright, so we've got a daily break, which is good. Could very well just be a break and retest, but then the stop loss would also be massive, so I also don't want that. I don't really see it, to be honest. I get a reaction there, I get a reaction there, I get a reaction there. Obviously that could be a break and retest, stop loss could be up here. But nah, I'm gonna leave it. Definitely could work. Don't get it twisted. It's definitely holding this level nice and strong. But I don't know. I just feel like I want to wait for a confirmation. I don't want to just enter. Looks like we've got a BTPF here forming. Here, shoulder. Right here. Let's see. Stop loss, I'm going to keep it nice and wide. I'm not even going to lie. And my target can be the 4 next major levels up here. Yeah, I'm happy to ride it to there. Before I take this trade, I want to ask one question. What is the trend strength? Are we rolling over? Are we in a nice healthy market? Are we in a flag? Or what is going on? I think what we're doing here is a flag. So we've got a nice strong push up, and now we're chopping around a bit for a potential flag to continue going higher. I don't think I should be entering off the break and retest. I think I want a clear manipulation. So I'm gonna skip this because I think what I want to see is a clear TPF pattern form to then go higher. And I feel like this is just looking into things too much. It's a TPF within the consolidation, and I want a clear TPF, maybe on the 2-hour time frame, or the 4-hour time frame would be even better. Okay, so now this is what I'm talking about. We still got this flag. Now it looks like we're getting a potential TPF. So we've swept all the way down here. A BTPF, might I say. Cool. Now we just need price to close up here. Cool. Now I'll enter off here and I'll just put my stop loss behind the swing. Off a minor H4 level, but it's leaning on the major level. Inefficient run, flag, BTPF. I think this 2 hours, okay. So we broke up there, we get an entry. Wow, it's this level right here. I mean, it's not shut off just yet. Oh my god, I had the right idea. Wow, I think that's it anyways. I don't think I should be entering off a trade down here. It's just gone too far. If I hide it all, have we got a TPF? No. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mark this as a missed trade. Not skipped, missed. Because it just about didn't hit my limit order and then it took off. If you want to stay tuned, subscribe and save this playlist.